we have a very high standard, and improvement and performance is a constant within what we are doing.
Continuous improvement is making good great, is making sure you have a reason for existence, not only today, but also tomorrow.
We can always try to be better and better, and we always aim higher than we did yesterday.
At the end, excellence would be great teamwork.
Yeah.
We have an extraordinary culture on site.
Is everyone ready? Right, let's go.
My name is Wendy Morin. I'm the site head here at this amazing site in Geel for Sanofi. We're a manufacturing site, so I'm responsible for producing medicines in a safe and quality manner for all of our patients out there. The specificity, what makes us really unique and stand out, I think, in the network and within Sanofi, is definitely our performance and our drive for excellence and continuous improvement every day again. We drive for a culture, a mindset that every employee here at the Geel site has that mindset. The mindset of willing to do better tomorrow than they did today. The mindset on willing to deliver these medicines right first time to our patients.
So we're now at the upstream process, and at the beginning of every shift, our daily schedule is presented and everybody is given their tasks.
Not look at the camera, perfect. I'm Mabe Mertens, I'm a team lead at Sanofi, and I work inside of the clean room by producing the medicine.
Raw materials are being put inside of the mixing vessel. Liquid is going to be added, and then it's going to be a solution.
How is the media preparation going?
It's going great. We just finished with the media prep.
So my name is Ran Klaas. I'm a supervisor of the Upstream process engineers. So my day-to-day work, it's mainly following up on the production processes, which are running 24/7. And on top of that, it's also introducing new products into our facility.
Where we previously had to take samples from our preparations with an offline measurement, now we have these probes installed in the vessel and we can inline release our media to use in the production process. So previously we had to take a sample, we measured it over here at the bench. So the new probe, it's shown over here. So it's installed in the vessel, and when the solution is finalized, we can check on our system if the value is okay.
So this is our prep that we just made, and the values that you see is actually the measurements of the probe.
I think the main thing of my job is working together with a lot of different other departments just to get it done and to get the process in the facility as soon as possible.
We do a lot of check-ins throughout the day, like we come inside of the plant and see if we can improve anything just proactively. And an example of that is just how Ran and his team really helped us with improving how we make solutions and how we can efficiently be faster and better at it.
We don't try to firefight issues, we try to cope with them before they occur. So a maintenance guy would react on things that go wrong. We try to be proactive on what might go wrong.
Every day we have a check-in meeting with all the different departments, and we all discuss what can be changed, what can be different, what innovative and improving things we can actually do. Even small changes make a big difference. If one small change can add up for 5 minutes, at the end of the year it's a massive gain. What we do every day is really giving patients hope and giving patients a solution for their problems. It's something real. You're really helping people, defeating our sustaining a lifestyle that they can support everything, it really makes a difference.
Do I explain a bit more about my role specifically? So my name is Ian Dooyen. I am head of manufacturing excellence, and it's actually operational excellence and smart factory at the Sanofi Geel site. In Geel, for example, on digital innovation, it's something we've highly invested in. We had a very deliberate strategic idea to not have digital innovation as part of a side project, but it's really embedded. That patient cannot accept any error. So I think that's really what drives me as an individual here also. We have multiple systems in place, for example. We have a system that's an AI-driven tool. It gives us really areas where we should look into. Then we have the very knowledgeable people who will digest this information, and then now they can use the digital twin to really simulate these different scenarios very quickly without also impacting our real production facility. Yeah. In this role, I'm very happy that I can work with a lot of talented people. So it's talented teams going from operators to quality specialists to data scientists, and I'm actually responsible for bringing that talent together and then create this shared ambition, which is to be the best site we possibly can be. Yeah.
We will build stuff, huh? Yeah. This one. So today we are in the Plant 2 building. It's actually our cell culture bioreactor hall. We are here today because we looked at the digital twin model where we had the prediction of how the bioreactor will behave in a couple of days, and we will connect with our operators and our specialists to see if indeed the data they are currently collecting, whether that's indeed normal, to also understand very well the data points that are coming into our model. This value is the value that we saw on the graph in the meeting room on the dark blue line where you had the different dots, and this is actually the actual value that was collected from the bioreactor, which is then pulled into that model. It helps feed the prediction indeed. Every data point, additional data point, will help make the prediction more accurate. Yeah.
Ça sent un peu comme Drive to Survive. I am Nick. I'm currently the MES lead for Plant 3.
And what is the MES application?
It's the Manufacturing Execution System. It's is gathering all the data. The operator needs this to execute the process steps to make the drug substance we make.
So we don't do a lot of things manually anymore. The program covers a lot of it.
We see the level that is available right now in the vessel. When we are starting a new prep, MES is retrieving this value. He's making a calculation, and based on that calculation we know how much we can make to refill the vessel.
Something inside the vessel, you can see it when you look here. So I can put a light on here. It's a button for every vessel. It calculates the volume by the weight that it measures on it.
We try to automate as much as possible. So interference of the operator when the choice is exactly what it should be depending on a value. So we have lots of micro decisions in the background to automate the process.
There is an absolute awareness here at the site for all the employees here why we do what we do.
I don't think that I could have dreamt of what I'm doing right now at the moment.
We make a difference for those patients. They count on us. They count on us to do better because that means their lives can be better in the end.